Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google Play account is active, verified, and signed in. Once done, make sure your payment method and country settings match the offer's eligibility rules. Mismatches block discounts. Next, inspect the app or subscription listing for qualifying tags, promo code entry, targeted offer banner, or promotional price. You should also check whether the 95% discount is for new subscribers only versus existing users. These checks get you ready to apply the offer immediately. You now apply the promo or purchase path that triggers the 95% off. If you have a promo code, open Play Store, go to Redeem, paste the code, and confirm. Otherwise, initiate the in-app subscription flow to surface the offer. Make sure you select the exact plan the promotion targets and confirm the checkout screen displays the 95% price reduction before you tap Buy. If the discount doesn't appear, refresh the listing, clear cache, or use an incognito window to force updated pricing. You finish by completing the purchase and immediately saving the receipt or screenshot showing the discounted charge. Once purchased, verify subscription status in Play Store subscriptions. This confirms the discount applied. If you were charged full price, request a refund through Google Play support and mention the promo details promptly. For troubleshooting, clear Play Store cache, sign out and back in, reapply the promo, and double-check country settings and promo validity dates. These steps resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.